of our poster is Smart Manufacturing in Petroleum Refining. Petroleum refinery has been one of the most important chemical processes in modern civilization since the last century. And today, we will focus on a new technology called smart manufacturing that will transform our current situation into a fourth industrial revolution.
Hi, my name is Tang Sing Ping. And what is smart manufacturing? A process that uses the industrial Internet of Things to create an intelligent network of connected devices and systems with proactive, autonomous, and analytic capability to improve manufacturing efficiency. The goal is to increase flexibility in physical process to address a dynamic and global market. And IoT is an evolution of a distributed control system that allows for a higher degree of automation by using cloud computing to refine and optimize the process control. It strips the fourth industrial revolution and propel the development of smart industrial. There are four types of techniques of IoT: cyber physical system, cloud computing, big data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. And cyber physics system is a mechanism that is controlled by computer-based algorithm tightly integrate with the internet and its user. Cloud computing. File can be kept on cloud-based storage system rather than local storage device available on demand without direct active management by the user. Big data analytics is the process of examining larger and varied data set or big data. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is a field within computer science in which intelligent machines are created to work and react like human. Machine learning is a core part of AI.
My name is Tan Wei. So now I would like to discuss about how does smart manufacturing differ from conventional production in petroleum refinery. First of all, maintenance. In traditional refining, the maintenance will be very time consuming, and IoT petroleum refining is reduce the downtime, which means that there's higher productivity. Second will be the safety. In traditional refinings, all the safety will be done by manual identifications, but IoT is already provide safety protocol, which means that risk of accidents is towards to zeros. The third will be the cost. The cost of traditional refining is very high, which means that you need a lot of manpower to maintain the cost. But in LT, they have a system to optimize the resource usage. It can provide a low maintenance cost. The last will be the data. In traditional refinings, not all the data are very useful. It means that there's a lot of less robust data with lower accuracy. But in LT petroleum refinings, they are taking data are real-time data. It means that there's a more accurate demand forecasting. So that's all for my comparisons. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Wong Zheng Yu, and this is Sustainable Development Goal. First, modern energy. Industry 4.0 offer the opportunity of profitable connectivity of renewable resource and intermittent management with storage, and increased utilization of wind and solar energy. Can diverse opportunity are there for the modern energy agenda to benefit from Industry 4.0 technology portfolio. And next is implementation of smart grids. Second goal, sustain economic growth, productive employment. Industry 4.0 can be leveraged by virtually all countries irrespective of the development stage, and to drive economic growth and offer new technology called to drive entrepreneurship. Next is offer new technology called to optimize efficiency. Third goal is sustainable consumption and production. Industry 4.0 enhance opportunity toward environmental sustainability by implementation of reliable and transparent sustainability reporting on demand hub manufacturing service instead of tangible product, and it can reduce the material and waste flow. Glasgow climate change. Industry 4.0 technology portfolio is opening the opportunity to intensify completion in adopting clean production method to reduce emission and increase profit simultaneously. Okay.
So my name is Eng Wei Xian, and this is the SWOT analysis of smart manufacturing in petroleum refining. So for the strength is the cost reduction. By replacing the complex and expensive hardware system with a more conventional software system, it actually allows the refiners to reduce the operating cost and also the maintenance cost of the refining process. It also allows the company to estimate the customer data required, which is also to ensure that the process is to be carried out properly so that it can improve the quality control and also have a better operational efficiency. So for environmental friendly, the connected devices is actually designed to reduce the carbon emission. So by referring to a recent report of Carbon War Room, it predicts that the smart manufacturing can alleviate the carbon emission by at least 19% in the future. So move to the business part. So the first one is the data challenges. So the data collected from the devices, it requires a better storage and a bigger capacity to manage the decent amount of data. So for massive investment, so by moving into the smart manufacturing, a company has to invest a huge amount of money to install the connected devices to carry out the process. So for opportunity part, reduction of hazardous incidents. So safety issues is usually one of the concerns in the industry. So by having the smart manufacturing, risk assessment can be applied to obtain an initial profile of the risk scenario so that it can be managed if the incident is happen. So next one is holistic and more accurate process estimation. So smart manufacturing can also be used to set up a simple and more suitable model to represent the operating condition, feedstock properties, and also the yield of the main product, so that it will have more profitable investment based on the smarter analysis and also enhance the customer experience. So last one is the threat. So the first one is cyber security. So most of the data will be stored in the online server, which is high in risk because it will be compromised by a group of hackers. So for the vulnerability to hackers, this opens the invitation to the hackers that tries to control every device around. So for the third part is around 74% of the company will fail to start the smart manufacturing. This will lead to budget cut on the talent developing and also the technology investment. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Yang Jane Yi. Now we're going to look at the current outlook in Malaysia. Under the 11th Malaysia Plan and in conjunction with Industry 4.0, our government set a national policy known as Industry Forward to drive Malaysia to become a strategic partner for smart manufacturing in Asia Pacific. This policy will be under the umbrella of the Malaysian Investment Development Authority, (IDA), and will be executed by the Ministry of International Trade and Industry, (MITI). In the past 5 years, the manufacturing sector has been the backbone of our economic growth. That's why the goal of this policy is that by 2025, Malaysia would become one of the primary destinations for high-tech industries, and that we will rank among the top 30 nations in the Global Innovation Index. So for example, the company that is now using smart manufacturing in petroleum refining is Petronas. And in the near future, we can see other refineries adopting the same technology, such as the Shell Port Dickson Refinery and Pengerang Johor Refinery. In conclusion, an organization's ability to evolve into digital transformation is imperative to increase competitiveness. Petroleum refineries have to be ready to answer accelerated product cycles and master flexibility for changing market demands. And smart manufacturing will be the solution to maximize technology potential so industries can manage business today and transform for the future.